now? When I say that you are free now, before the click, what happened? Stop thinking. Lost all representations of. You see? Then it takes you some time again to find something that you can represent. You see? Some perception, some concept. So all that is needed is to first check what is it that I am representing now. Does that come and go? What are you representing now? Like this? Nothing. You see, but this nothing is not an absence. It's only the absence of the false. This is an important point. Nothing does not mean absence. It is only that the false representation is absent. An absence of the false. So, what are you representing now? Are you representing a perception? But then all perceptions will come and go. For whom will they come and go? Is it? Is it? So for that awareness, for whom all perceptions come and go, perception itself comes and goes. You see? What is the representation of that? Are we going too fast? For that which is aware of all perceptions, you see, aware of perception itself, what is the representation of that? Yourself, but what is the representation of that? Like, how will you represent that self? Can't we compare? Because you have to bring phenomenality back to make a comparison, isn't it? Okay, so what are you representing now? Are you representing anything? And if you are not representing anything, have you lost yourself? You see? So, what is the need to represent yourself as some perception? If you don't lose yourself, empty of any representation, what is the need to pick up a representation? Some set of perception sensations appear and we call that me. What is the benefit of that? And for whom? Clear, no? All perceptions are changing, and yet somehow we find ourselves seeming to represent some perception. You see? But we have this sort of forgetfulness that this is changing. I was there when even this perception was not there. I still was and am. You see? And yet somehow I take myself to be that. You see? So don't try to intellectualize it because you can't understand this. Just see, what are you representing now? Are you just representing a perception? So some of you will feel some wobbliness, some may call it fear, but just because it arises, another perception arises, what makes us represent that as me? The instant you take yourself to be something, that is trouble. Bhagavan has said, not in the word trouble, trouble. What are you representing now? Even to yourself. That is the only important. What you represent to seemingly outside is not so important. What is your own picture of yourself? What shape are you giving yourself, as Guruji says beautifully? Shapes are rising. They are perceived. But very clearly all of us have heard that that which changes, that which comes and goes, is not our original nature, it is not our true nature. So what is it that I am representing now? You. What is it that you are representing now? If some words escape your mouth, yeah, do you have to represent them? In the sense, you have to make the claim they are mine? But this traps us up, no? Why did I say that? How could I say that? It's almost as ludicrous, or as ludicrous as how could I think that? You have no control over which. You see, the non-existent, doesn't have any control over what thought is coming. That which is not concerned, is not bothered by which thought is coming. It's all a play to that one.